So I feel like the first one is, why didn't anybody tell me that this was going to be hard as Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be talking about some things I wish I knew before I started this channel, some things I wish I knew before deciding to do YouTube. I'm not saying I regret YouTube, but if you're trying to start a channel, these are just some things that I think you should know. I wish I knew that you aren't allowed to use people's songs in your video. If you notice, my first video has literally no sound, and then some of you are so mean, like, oh, I think your video should have sound, you should put music next time. Like, you don't think I know that? Like, you don't think I tried? The first song I used on my YouTube channel was Non-Stop by Drake, and let me tell you how many times YouTube warned me to take that video down. Three times it told me I couldn't post it, and if I was going to post it, it couldn't be monetized. And I was like, well, okay. And I was ready to, that was my first time like editing, and it was hard, and I was ready to let it to now re-edit the video and put like a whole, I didn't even know where to get like songs from, like, that were not copyright claim, because you can't use an artist's legal song because that's their song, and if you use it, you can't make money off of your YouTube if you're using somebody else's song. Like, they'll just put one big fat copyright claim for you, and that's hella messed up. So I had never heard a YouTuber say this before, that you cannot use somebody's song to do your video, right? Which brings us to number 2. I wish somebody told me where to get YouTube music from, because that wasn't funny, like, at all. So where can you get like YouTube songs? YouTube has what they call a YouTube studio, where they have a bunch of songs that don't have copyright claim that you can use. It's not they don't have lyrics usually, it's just mostly beats. Like, if you watch my channel, you know I use mainly one but two particular songs, beats, in all my videos. I really like them. I'm not changing it ever. But I wish, like, you can imagine the second time I wanted to post a video, I didn't know where to get the song from, because I was like, if they can't let me use Drake's song or Beyonce's song, like, what am I going to do? Like, my video can be like silent, like, nobody wants to be watching, like, hearing crickets and all of that. But anyway, I googled it and I saw it. Like, you just google it, you see a bunch of songs, you click on download, and to download, and you can use it for your next videos. Or if you have a friend that, you know, does music, like, is on SoundCloud. I don't think SoundCloud people have copyright. I don't know, no offense, I don't know, but like, I know I have used my friend's song to do my video and they had no copyright claim. So if you know any of these your upcoming friends, you can actually help them out by using their song for your video. Does that make sense? Yeah, so that's number 2. And number 3, I wish somebody told me that you needed to have friends to have a YouTube channel, because, to be honest, when you start a YouTube channel, you're going to need your little friends. Like, your first audience and fan base is your friends. That's just the truth. If you don't have friends, who is going to repost your shit? Who is going to share your links? And me now, coconut head, like, I don't talk to nobody. So ask me how anybody repost my stuff. Like, when I was thinking about it, I was like, God, all these people, I ignore their messages, I not start sending them links. Nobody's going to click that. So I'm not saying you shouldn't start a YouTube channel if you're an introvert, but just know that it's going to be harder if you don't have friends, if you're not a social person, because it will be harder for you to get your videos out there initially, because it's the people you know directly that will help you share your stuff. So you just need to have some people that are dedicated and like real supporters and will carry like your channel on their heads. You get? Does that make sense? So you just need to have a little audience. Just heads up, if you don't have friends, well, I mean, I found out the hard way, so it's okay. Another thing I wish somebody told me before I started YouTube was that I needed to buy gear. You know, I knew I needed to buy a ring light, or the light I'm using right now. It's not a ring light, but I knew I needed to get a light. I knew I needed to have at least 2 tripods, because you don't know where you're going to film, you don't know like what tripod you're going to use that day, but you need gear. You're going to spend some money. You may see all these videos like how to start YouTube on a budget. Even the budget is money. No matter how little the budget is, it's money. So you have to, like me, I remember I changed my phone because of the better quality of the camera. I have like 3 tripods, I think. I bought a couple of ring lights, but I bought them when I didn't have the money, so they were just tiny useless ring lights. You're going to spend money initially, but it's worth it, because if you spend your money on things that are durable, you won't have to spend it again. It's an investment. I wish somebody told me that, like, the pressure of YouTube is worse than Instagram, because first of all, I have no pressure on Instagram. Like, I have no reason to be pressured by anybody on Instagram. But YouTube, like, seeing your friends or other people that were small just like you blow up, like, you feel happy for them, but it doesn't change the fact that you've been asking yourself, like, why am I still here? Why is my channel not moving? It makes me feel some type of way, like I need to get my stuff together. Do you get? So, like, I wish somebody prepared me for the pressure. I wish someone told me that creating content is not easy. Some days you set out your heart and your mind and your body, you plan to create content, like series of content, or not just one, and then everything just flops. Or some days you make a video. Imagine making a video and the whole time you didn't know that the microphone wasn't on. Imagine just setting your whole heart to make a video and it doesn't work out because of something. Like, do you know how painful? It happened to me just yesterday. That's why I am so pained, because I set out of my dorm to shoot a couple of videos for the day, and almost none of it happened. So you need to get prepared for, like, content not working out. You feel so down, so bad, but you need to find a way to, like, get the fuck up, because consistency and hard work, nothing pays off more than that. So yeah, that's really all I can think about right now. I wish somebody told me that growth is slow. I won't say growth is slow, because some people have it fast, have it quick. So I don't know, sometimes, like, it's hard to grow on YouTube. That's what I'm going to say. But if you want to put in the work, I'm sure it will be easier. But just a few things I feel like I wish somebody just told me before I started YouTube. So yeah, I just thought to come on here and share with you guys, because I'm nice like that. So if you have a YouTube channel and you can relate, or you're planning to start and you needed to watch this video, like, I hope it helps. Hope it makes you feel better. These are just some of the things I observed. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share my video, please. And all of you that are watching me that are not subscribed, like, hope everything is okay. Like, how do you feel? Like, are you watching me behind my back? Like, I don't know, like, just subscribe. Like, it doesn't make a difference, like, if you subscribe. Do you feel me? So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and share. Tell all your friends to tell their friends, so we can make this. Okay, bye guys, see you next time.